Hello friend, good morning. We are going to learn 1.5 his first flight, part number 3. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Here said that the bird, he means the bird, completely forgot. What did he forgot? He forgot that he had not always been able to fly. म्हणजे कधीही उडू शकणार नाही हे तो विसरून गेला. And commanded means praising. He praised himself and due to the praise to dive and soar and curve. Shrieking means making a loud sound, and then after the bird make their loud sound. The sound was shrill, carcass. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. It means sea, means flying straight over the sea, facing straight out over the ocean. म्हणजेच तो समुद्राच्या अगदी सरळ उडत होता आणि समुद्राकडे अगदी खाली सरळ येत होता. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with a little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. The bird flying there, the straight over the sea, and the straight facing toward the sea also. It's meaning that the bird have not any kind of the fear. He saw there. What did he see? He saw a vast green sea beneath him. There the little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. Amusedly means with pleasure, with happily. Means the bird fly there with happily, with making the sound, pleasure sound. His parents and his brother and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. Here said that they were beckoning. Beckoning means calling. Here is given the meaning that to give a signal, to move near or to follow. Means beckoning meaning that the calling. They were means the parents, brothers and sisters were beckoning to him. They were calling to him. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. The bird dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. In that time, his legs sank into it. It means water. His legs sank. His legs went into the water. Sank means went into the water. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. Means, and then after the bird screamed with the fright because his legs sank into the water, and in that time the bird afraid, and so the screamed with the fright, and he attempted to raise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. Exhausted by the strange exercise, and in whole day the bird make exercise there. And exercise, what exercise? Means the bird was trying to fly there, and that was the exercise. He was tired and weak with the hunger, and so that he could not rise. He was exhausted there. His feet sank into the green sea. Sank means went into the water. went into the sea, green sea, sank. It is the past tense of the sink. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it. It means the water, and he sank no further. Then, after what happened there? His feet sank into the green sea. His belly also touched to the water, and then, after no further, and he was floating on it. Means the bird was floating on the water. The bird not sank into the water. And around him, his family was screaming, praising him, and raised, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dog fish. In that time, his family were near about him, around him. His family means parents, brothers, and sisters were near him. They were screaming and praising him, and they were offering him what? The scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight, and in this way, the bird made his first flight. The topic is very courageous. The topic is motivational. Here, the family of the bird motivated to the small bird, and due to the motivation, he is able to fly over the sea. In this way, he had made his first flight and become success.